Khubor Sngewlem jong Nongsan Hima.
Myntri Rangbah Kajala Konrad Sangma Hanik Sngewlem Phah ya Khubor Sngewlem Bahaïing kasem jong MLA Rajabala Dr. Azad Zaman. Habakaran chikelat pathai Khubor nakaliang jong Myntri Rangbah Konrad Sangma Phah ya Khubor Sngewlem Bahaïing kasem Kibala duno yala ujong Phah. Ula ongro ba kajingklat no jong uni UMLA kanlong kajingdu kapakraw ya kajala. Shushu ula banram dagaba ong bana kaliang jong kasorkar kandon lang bat kaying kasem ha kano kapor kaba kidon kam.
Today in the early morning hours, around 2 o'clock, we were the sitting MLA of Rajabala constituency, after concluding a late night meeting, was in his residence in Baitpari, and as per the information that had come to us early morning, was he suffered a heart attack, a cardiac arrest around that time, 2:15, 2:30, and when he was brought into Phulbari in the CHC there, they had declared him brought dead. It was a very, very shocking news for all of us. Recently, we had also lost another colleague of ours, legislature, in similar kind of circumstances, and we was yet to get over that shock, and this has happened now. So from all the MLA's perspective and all the government side and the cabinet side, I would like to take this opportunity to really express our deepest condolences to the bereaved family. I know that it is a very difficult time for them, but we want to assure them that we as a government and also as colleagues in the assembly, we are with them in whatever way we can help them and support them in these difficult times, and we want to tell them that that we are remembering them in our prayers. And once again, I express my deepest condolences on behalf of the government to the bereaved family.